Welcome to this guide on making money with Fiverr affiliate link promotion. Fiverr is a popular platform that connects freelancers with clients, and their affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting their services. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to get started and succeed with Fiverr affiliate link promotion. First, you need to sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program. To do this, go to the Fiverr website and click on the affiliate program link at the bottom of the page. Fill out the registration form with your personal and payment details, and wait for your application to be approved. Once you are approved, you will have access to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard, where you can generate affiliate links and track your earnings. You can promote Fiverr services on your website, social media, or email marketing campaigns. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. To increase your chances of success, it is essential to choose the right services to promote. Look for services that are in high demand and have a good reputation on Fiverr. You can use the Fiverr search function to find top-selling services and filter them by category, price, and rating. When promoting Fiverr services, make sure to disclose your affiliation with the platform. This is a requirement by the Federal Trade Commission and helps build trust with your audience. You can use banners, text links, or product reviews to promote Fiverr services, depending on your marketing strategy. To maximize your earnings, it is crucial to drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can use search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, or social media marketing to reach a wider audience. Make sure to target the right keywords and demographics to increase your conversion rates. Finally, track your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use the Fiverr affiliate dashboard to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Analyze your data to identify which services and marketing channels are performing well, and adjust your strategy to optimize your results. In conclusion, making money with Fiverr affiliate link promotion is a straightforward process that requires minimal effort and investment. By following these steps and best practices, you can earn significant commissions by promoting Fiverr services to your audience. Remember to choose the right services, disclose your affiliation, drive traffic to your affiliate link, and track your results to achieve success with Fiverr affiliate link promotion.